Hi guys, just like to make a quick video about how I solved the ticking problem I had with these MX Silent switches. Just to repeat it, when you press the MX Silent switch and hold it like this, it's silent. But if you turn it around like this, the ticking noise becomes evident, and this also happens when you use it in a keyboard. And this results in a not really silent keyboard. So I was able to solve this problem by using switch films, and I'm going to demonstrate to you. Let me quickly put this in a switch opener. Take the top off. I'm using these switch films here. I'm going to apply the switch film like such. Close the switch. Now, whichever side I press the switch from, it stays silent. So if you have a problem with ticking silent switches, then you might want to give switch films a try. It solved the problem for me. By the way, the ticking also occurred in gate-run housings and Zelio housings. So I assume if I use a switch film there, it might improve the ticking as well. And just a little bonus, my keyboard now has completely switch filmed switches in it, and there's no more ticking, just silent typing, which is really nice. Okay guys, bye.